Orca's financial statements are powerful yet simple. In order to run a general ledger category summary, or also known as an end-of-month report summary, you will just click the calendar icon, select the first and last of the month, click View Statement, and here is your end-of-month statement, broken down by GL category, the details within each category, as well as the cost associated with that. We show the starting inventory down here and the dollar amount on hand as it was valued at that time. And then we also show you the ending inventory dollar amount on hand. And as the story goes, you take the starting inventory, you're going to add the expenses, and then subtract what you currently have still on the shelf. So subtract the ending inventory, divide it by the total sales in that category, and here is your perfect COGS report in really just one click. Now, let's say that this cost percentage says 35 or 40%, something that we don't like to see. Well, we know that we're not over ordering because we're intelligently ordering now using Orca's place an order tool. And we also know we're not costed out incorrectly because we checked our recipes in this area. So we know that we have loss. And this brings us to our most powerful statement, the view loss statement. Our loss statement will show you everything that's walking out your door or being mismanaged or wasted. All you have to do is click the start date and then click the end date. And for this particular situation, I'd like to see what happened and what walked out my door in 1 week. I click View Edit PMix Report and it brings up everything I've sold on my POS system. So basically every time that I've sold a Long Island, because of my recipes, we know to remove 0.5 vodka, 0.5 rum, 0.5 gin, etc., etc. In the case of a cheeseburger, every time we've rang one of those in, we know to remove 1 slice of cheese, 6 ounces of meat, 2 buns, 1 leaf of lettuce, etc., etc. All you have to do is press OK, and now it's going to compare everything we used against everything we sold and how we should have used it based on our recipes. And of course, the report that we see will be the differences, or also known as the variances. And here we go. So in this particular situation, we sold 181 Bud Lights, but we used 228, so we lost 47 Bud Lights, around 2 cases, and that cost us $35.25. And as we scroll down, we can see all the areas that we have problems with. And if I scroll to the bottom, I can see that this particular store lost $1,465 in just 1 week. Now this isn't product sold. This is the actual cost of product. This would convert into $4,000 to $5,000. Now we see a 17.35% for the cost, but we should have ran a 12.78 had we made our recipes according to the recipes, as well as nothing walks out our door. Now obviously this would never be obtainable. No one's perfect, but we definitely want to get closer than 17 to 12. And the idea is print this report out, put it in front of the staff and let them know what their problems are and let them know what they need to work on. Holding accountability is the best thing that you can do in this industry because you will see a better report each time you print this and hold accountability. And better reports means lower COGS and of course, higher revenues.